Hey guys, how's it going? Just taking a little stroll here in Tokyo. It's about 10 p.m. I think it's closer to 11. I don't know. This part of town is known as the otaku district. Here you'll find all kinds of shops selling comic books, figurines, collectibles, that kind of thing. So it's really popular among people who are into that type of Japanese culture. Not exactly my scene, but it is an interesting neighborhood to walk around. Man, you know, I don't think there's anything better than walking around a big Asian city at night. Just the lights somehow give it a, I don't know how to describe it, just a vibe. And the only thing that could make it better is if it were raining. I think one of my favorite things about Japan is that it's just so safe. Like, you can walk around pretty much anywhere and not have to worry about getting mugged or pickpocketed or really bothered by anyone even. I mean, I'm just walking around down some random dark alley right now. I mean, I'm not in a dangerous neighborhood or anything, but I've never been here. I don't know this area really at all. And yeah, I don't have to worry about any kind of crime. I mean, I'm sure there's crime that exists, but it's minimal. So that's really nice, you know. Like last year I was traveling in Latin America for about half the year, mostly in Brazil and Argentina. And the crime is just always something to consider over there, particularly in Brazil. I wouldn't just wander around like this in like Rio or Sao Paulo. Maybe you could in some areas, well you probably could in some areas, but generally just not as safe as here. And this is a massive city, you know, it's Tokyo, it's probably the biggest city on earth. While I'm walking around, you've probably seen some girls dressed in like skimpy maid outfits or cat girl outfits or something like that. These girls work in the maid cafes. So from what I understand, they're kind of like escorts. They'll talk to guys who go in there and flirt with them, but they don't do anything more than that, I don't think. It seems like cell phone addiction is a pretty serious problem here. Like, I'll see people walking around just reading comics, watching videos while they're walking. I'm staying in a hotel with a shared bathroom right now, and there are people just brushing their teeth while they're watching their phones. On the public transport, everybody's using their phone. I don't know. It's probably not healthy, but I would say I'm a internet addict as well, but not that bad yet. There are so many vending machines here. I don't know how they even make a profit. Like, you walk 10 feet and there's a vending machine. I just scored big time, you guys. I popped into a supermarket right as they were marking down the food for the day, the pre-prepared foods. I just got a huge bunch of sushi for like 1,000 yen. It's like $7, something like that. I got a big mixed platter and then a plate of ahi and a plate of salmon. So I'm gonna eat good tonight. Hopefully it'll keep till tomorrow. I've got a fridge, so I think it'll be fine if I don't eat all of it. It's about 10:30, so the stores sometimes mark down the food that doesn't sell. And I got there just in time. People were just swarming it, and I snuck in and snatched up a couple for myself. So, gotta get lucky sometimes, right?